Hello everyone and welcome back to ToeShifterz. What's the new thing for today you ask? Check out the title written below. It's an unboxing video on ToeShifterz once again. It's one thing which I've been wanting to have on my bike for a long time. I want that even for my Spiti, but unfortunately I didn't have enough research or probably even enough time to have it done. So finally I narrowed down to it and I have got this item. I would just like to brief you about it. So, when you guys are touring, you always have different needs, and different people take the luggage differently. And some people ride with a pillion, some people ride solo, and the things that you carry and the luggage that you take with you, the way you take it, everything matters differently. So, I basically have a setup wherein I have a tank bag, I have my saddlebags, and that's about it. I don't have a tail bag, I don't have anything else apart from that on the bike. So that's about it. That's how I carry my luggage, and that was pretty much sufficient for my Spiti ride. But I had a need of one more thing which I wanted for an easy access. Obviously, my tank bag was there, which was really helpful. And there is this item which I'm going to unbox now, which is going to be a good addition for my touring purposes as well. So let me show you guys what it is. Okay, my unboxing knife. And if you guys are able to read this, it's from Tech and Ride. So I think you might have guessed it by now what it is. So this is a rare top box by Trek and Ride, and that is what I'm going to unbox for you guys now. Oh my god. I think I'll have to change the camera angle to actually show you guys this. This is the top box that I got. As you can see, it's pretty damn huge. So let's just get this baby out of this. So this is the box. There is a handlebar for you to carry it. Looks pretty decent. These are the keys. The box looks pretty sturdy. There's nice reflector over here, so it's really good for your night rides. And this is what is the amazing part. So it actually has a pillion backrest, so which I feel is going to be a really good feature for a KTM Duke 390 considering the power it has, and if you have a pillion sitting behind you. So that's what it is, and now let's get inside the box. So it's a simple way to open. You just do that and it pops open. So let's put nice packaging inside so that things don't sway around much and don't make a lot of noise. So this is what you get out of the box. So there is a mounting plate, a base plate, and there is this item which goes on top of the box. I'll just show it to you right away. So this is what you get inside. Let's rip this pack open and see what's inside. So this is a tray which comes with it, and I'll just show you in a while how this is going to be mounted and what is the use of it. And the quality is actually really nice. It's made of plastic, but it's really strong. I'm pretty sure it can take good amount of weights. And this is the mounting plate cover, the base plate cover, and this here is actually the base plate on which the top box gets mounted. I'll just show you that as well. So what else is there inside? So there are a few screws and this knob thing that you see here. So this actually goes inside the top box. I'll just show that in a while how that's connected. And a few nuts and bolts and accessories to actually attach it to your bike. So now I'll just show you what all is there and how things get attached to each other. So this thing that I showed it to you just a while back, that goes on top of the box like so, and you have 4 screws here, as you can see. So that's where the screws get attached, and this goes on top like this. So you can actually tie down something on top of this, or probably keep a laptop bag or something like a mattress or your sleeping bag or whatever it is, and you can just tie it down to this. And there is given some provision here as well. And if you can see here, there are these small little O-rings which is there, so which you have to put it in the screw like this. I wonder if you guys can be able to see this, but that's how you put it. And then you put these screws inside of this like so. So that's the opening. So you have your washer right there. So that washer is going to cover, oops, I dropped it. So that washer is going to cover this area very well, so it's not going to let any water come in to your top box. So I guess that should be the reason that they have provided these small O-rings here. Yeah, as I was explaining, so this is a base plate. So your screws and these things that they've given, the washers and everything, it goes inside. So hence they have these diamond cutouts. That's where these washers go in, and your screw goes in and connects to your rear rack. Once that is done, all you have to do is take this top cover, mount it on top of this. It goes in something like that, right? And the top box sits on top of this. This is the knob type screw that I showed you. So that comes from the inside of the box and locks into the base plate onto this one. If you look at it from the bottom, this is how the base plate is going to be attached to your top box. And once you open this, as you can see, there is where the rod is going, the knobby thing is going to get threaded into. So that locks your top box in place. The box really looks of a good quality and good sturdy quality, and they've given these connectors so that even accidentally you don't flip open the box to the other side and hit someone. This is the lock. I'm not too sure about the lock, but only time will tell if this is going to last. I hope you guys liked today's unboxing of my new I dropped it, of my new Tech and Ride top box. That's how it looks, and I shall mount this on the bike and show you how it looks. So it definitely looks a very good premium product, and I hope this comes of a really good help to me. And that's about it for today's vlog. I hope you guys liked today's small unboxing, but a big box. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. There are a lot more videos coming in, there are a lot more rides coming in, and obviously there will be a lot more informational videos coming in because I'm planning to do that as well. So keep it logged in to ToeShifterz. Ride safe, ride hard, always wear your safety gear, and never ever forget wearing your helmet. See you guys in another video very soon.